Hello friends, I come from China. Today I will introduce my product. The product is a medical device. It's a dura substitute. I developed it. I want to share with you. I come from China. Maybe you can learn more about Chinese medical device industry. The appearance is like this. It's a dura patch. The raw material is bovine pericardium. It was mainly constituted of type 1 collagen. It was used for dura repair. Firstly, I will give a self-introduction. I live in Tianjin City, China. Tianjin City is in the southeast of China's capital Beijing, about 150 miles away. Tianjin is also a very large city. It has a population about 15 million people. And I'm a 40 years old man. I got my master degree of biochemical engineering in China in 2010. I have 12 years working experience in R&D of implantable medical device. The product device development process is quite a long time. The design and verification is finished in 2015 and the animal experiment in 2016. This product is needed to do clinical investigation. The clinical investigation is lasted for 4 years. It's quite a long time. And in 2022, the product have registered in NMPA of China. First, I will introduce what is the dura mater. The dura mater is the outer side of the central nervous system. The dura mater is indicated for use when the brain tumor surgery, hemorrhage surgery, and cerebral surgery and tumor. During this condition, the dura mater will be broken by the surgery, and when the surgery is over, the dura substitute might be very large, so a dura patch is needed to repair it. About 1/3 of the brain surgeries need a dura mater. The function of the dura repair is to prevent CSF leakage and rebuild the integrity of the brain membrane. The second is to reduce the incidence of complications. For instance, the infection, epilepsy, etc. the product is like this. A is the initial packaging. The product is preserved in normal saline, and it was double packaged. The double packaging is good at the sterile procedure of the surgery. The raw material of the product is bovine pericardium. The sterilization and preservation method is gamma radiation sterilization. There are many products in the market. For instance, the synthetic polymer materials and animal-derived medical products. The manufacturing process of the product is like this. First, we should click the bovine pericardium and remove the immunogenicity of the animal tissue. It means to remove the cells or the proteins in the tissue, and the animal origin virus was inactivated. Packaging and sterilization, then the final product. The raw material is used for production is bovine pericardium. It contains cells such as fibroblast, red blood cells, white blood cells, etc., and extracellular skeleton, also known as the ECM, which was mainly composed of type 1 collagen, and tissue fluid and blood. The gross appearance of bovine pericardium is like this. The immunogenic removal process is like this. The substance that can cause immunogenicity include the tissue fluid, lipid, animal-derived cells, alpha-gal, antigen, etc. The product needs to be manufactured by clean room, and the final product should be physical and chemical examined to assure that the product meet the technical need. The viral inactivation process should be developed, and the process, the viral inactivation efficiency should reach 6 logs, and the retaining of the virus separation activity should be also meet the requirement of the regulation. This is the insert study of the product. The member is inserted in a vigorous dura defect area, and the product manifested very good outcomes. For instance, there was an integration when the animal was sacrificed after 2 months of implantation, and there was also no abrupt inflammation in the tissue. During the product development process, we have also published 2 articles. The magazine is also SCI indexed article. The advantage of the product is first is have the integration property. After implantation of the product, it can rapidly integrate with dura tissue, preventing CSF linkage and other complications. 2. The efficient immunologic removal. 3. The ensued tissue regeneration. 4. Convenient operation. It was stored in wet status, so when the surgery it can be readily used, and wet is not needed. The product is also can be used for other indications. For instance, the skin substitute for chronic skin repairing, the hernia repair, and breast patch. The product has also contradictions due to the coagulation activities of collagen. The product must not be used in contact with blood. For instance, the cardiac patch for ventricular septal or atrial septal defect repair. The regulations should be obeyed during the R&D process of the product in China. The regulations of the registration process in China are quite similar with the FDA and Europe. Design and development should obey the quality management system. The regulations are most similar with ISO 3485, which was settled as national standard in China as GBT 42061 2022. Clinical investigation is needed in China because the product is an animal-derived medical product. However, this is not needed in FDA for the clinical investigation. There is a minor regulatory difference between FDA and China. The animal-derived medical device was taken as high-risk medical device. Therefore, clinical evaluation should be done during the design validation process. The clinical investigation is costly and time-consuming. About $1 million was spent during the investigation, and about 2 to 4 years for complete the investigation. This product about 4 years was used for the investigation. The medical device at present market in China. Medical device central procurement in China is The policy is to aim to lower the price and expenditures of drugs and medical devices by using the bargaining power of the government as the sole buyer. It was first implemented in 2019. The policy involves selecting a list of drugs or medical devices that are frequently used and have high procurement amounts, and inviting pharmaceutical companies to abide for the supply contract. The lowest bidder will be awarded the contract and have exclusive access to the public medical institutions in the selected cities. The policy has resulted in significant price reductions for the selected drugs, ranging from 25% to 86%. The policy is expected to lower medical costs for the general public, address China's lack of health insurance funds. So the medical device market in China is very harsh. Due to the medical product centralized procurement, the price of the medical products was plunged in China. For example, the dura subsidy price was dropped from about 100 RMB per square meters to about 20 RMB square meters. My company wants to develop foreign countries market. If you want the product, please contact with me, please. My mobile phone and WeChat is this. On the left side is my WhatsApp. My name is Taffy. Thank you. Please feel free to contact with me.